Section 5, Hardening Security. In this section, we'll learn about password strength. We'll discover how to make our passwords authentication stronger. Authentication fails. Discover how to fix too many issues with authentication fails. A public key. Using the server public key authentication. Remove passwords. Discover how to remove passwords directly from your server. And then alias computers. Set up remote logins for easy connecting. Password strength. Making password authentication stronger. After everything we've covered, we're now going to be working on increasing your password strength. But didn't we remove all the passwords and SSH keys? Yes, we did. However, there are some in which will not use SSH keys. And for those who are using SQL database on their servers, this section is for those people. When using passwords, always remember to ask yourself, how hard will this be to crack? So we need to look into securing our passwords and making them harder for hackers to crack. If you recall from section 2, Securing Server Part 1, we discussed how hackers was able to crack your password. We also discussed how to set advanced passwords. So what's the difference between that section and this one? The way we structure our passwords. In section 2, we discovered a language, Leet, in which I provided an example of a password using Leet. Now we're going to be looking at enhancing that setup with extra features in order to provide us with a hardened security password that can help us secure our server. So in section 2, we have our password as Leet or Elite Hacker. Now we're going to make that same setup and create a sentence password. This will be helpful as we have more characters to crack. As an example, we can use I am a hacker. Basically, 1, 4M, 4, H4CK3R. Or we could use advanced lead, which is exclamation 4 / / 4. Yeah, you get the point. So another example that we can use, hack me if you can, exclamation point. And we see the two different examples of basic lead and then advanced lead. You could take your pick of which one you want to use. If you're not wanting to learn exactly how to write in Leet, not a problem. I've got you covered. There are several online resources in which will allow you to convert regular text into Leet. Here's an example of the most common online text-to-Leet translator. roberttecker.com/hp/research/leet.converter.php =English. Or EN actually. So you can go to that website. Let's go ahead and go there now and take a look at it. Alrighty. So here's our input text box. So we can say, I am a hacker, exclamation point. And then we can encode using basic or advanced. So let's go ahead and do the basic first. So let's encode that. And then I am a hacker. Or you can go ahead and do advanced lead and then encode it that way. And here's our advanced lead. And then you can just copy that by doing Control-C and then pasting that into your password file.